today I'll be doing an unboxing video. Here I have with me the James Charles brush set in collaboration with Morphe. Now Morphe is actually an American brand which you cannot find in Singapore. So I actually got this off an online store which I'll leave in the description box below. Now let's take a look what's inside. So when you first receive the parcel, it actually looks like this. In the front it says Morphe times James Charles. This is how it looks. At the back, they just name all the different types of brushes that you can find in this brush set. And of course, James Charles himself and a message. Let's unbox this. Looks like this. This is the custom tubby. This black tubby case is perfect for storing all your makeup as well as for you to bring along for your travel. So there's two buttons here like that, and when you take it out, oh yeah, there's the print Morphe times James Charles on the front. When you take it out, these are the brushes. It's nicely packed in a plastic for hygiene, of course. These are the brushes. A sponge, similar to a beauty blender. Lay all your brushes in. Good for travel. James Charles says, brushes are any artist's tool to create a masterpiece. I curated this brush set with my favorite brushes that are vital to each step of the makeup routine, but also includes duplicates of my most used eye brushes. This way you have absolutely everything you need for a full collection and you can focus on unleashing your inner artist. James Charles is known for creating very creative looks. You can find him on his YouTube channel. So when I found out that he actually collaborated with Morphe to come up with this brush set, what really attracted me was him mentioning that there are duplicates of his favorite brushes. As a makeup artist, at least two of the brushes that we really need as a starter kit when you first want to explore makeup is definitely the blender brush as well as the shader brush. Shader brush where you pick up color and you apply it, you pack it on your eyelids, but the blender brush is very important for you to blend out the colors. The special thing about this brush set is that he has duplicates for his blending brushes. A lot of times when we play around with colors, sometimes inconvenient I would say to actually like clean off the whatever color that you used previously on your brush and then to pick up another color. And sometimes if you don't clean it properly, you actually mix the colors and when you apply it on, it just gets too messy. So with duplicates, you can really explore and play around with many colors. So let's take a look what's inside. All the brushes. Really a lot of brushes. So I'll go through one by one. So I've taken out all the new brushes from its plastic and this is how it looks like when you place it in this custom tubby here. So it's really good because you have the other side for storage as well. So perhaps like your new brushes, and when you have used those brushes, you can place them in the other tubby. It's very good for storage as well as travel if you don't mind the size of this custom tubby. As you have noticed, I do not have any eyeshadow makeup on because I will be playing around with this new set of brushes, using mainly the eyeshadow brushes to create James Charles Rainbow Eyeshadow look. I will also put a link down on the description box below where you can find how he actually created this look. The video is called Unleash Your Inner Artist Makeup Tutorial. So if you're interested to see if I'm able to replicate this look, please keep on watching. right now I'm just going to touch up the rest of my face and I'll be right back. So this is the final makeup look. I hope I was able to replicate as close to what James Charles did in his video as much as possible. I wasn't able to do exactly what he did, like applying the bigger glitter at the inner corner of the eyes because I don't have it. So I just make do with like loose glitter like this one. This primer, just applying, dabbing a bit and then applying the loose glitter. I also do not own his colourful eyeshadow palette, so I just make do with this Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette that I already own. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out actually. I think one issue that I have, or at least I know, is that sometimes the eyeshadow makeup that I do for either eyes, the symmetry is not there, meaning that it's not balanced. One of my eyeshadow can sometimes be higher than the other. So I'm pretty happy with this, that the symmetry of my makeup today is pretty equal. Yeah, I really enjoyed myself. It is quite therapeutic just playing with different colors and playing around with the brushes. The brushes are really good because of the duplicates, right? For example, the blender brushes, shader brushes, they have duplicates, so I don't need to clean it. I can just quickly go in and take a new one just to apply a new color and really play as many colors as possible at one go. I'm really satisfied with my purchase actually, and I can't wait to use it more moving forward. Take a closer look. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. I really enjoyed playing around with the colors and playing around with the brush set that I got. It's really filthy now and I can't wait to wash it. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more of such content and you're not following me, do click on the subscription button. If you have any video suggestions, do let me know in the comment section below and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!